Have you tried curing your erectile dysfunction with green tea? Let's look at the science behind it. The brew is rich in compounds called catechins, which have been shown to blast away belly fat and speed the liver's capacity for turning fat into energy. But that's not all. Catechins also boost desire by promoting blood flow to your nether region. Catechins kill off free radicals that damage and inflame blood vessels, increasing their ability to transport blood. Catechins also cause blood vessels to increase release of nitric oxide, which increases the size of blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow. Green tea is also well known as a cortisol blocker, which lowers blood pressure, and having high blood pressure is a major cause of erectile dysfunction. Research has also recently shown that green tea lowers overall cholesterol levels in the body and improves the ratio of good cholesterol to bad cholesterol, which means you get better erections. Drinking 4 cups a day should help you feel the full effects of green tea and help you on your way to curing your erectile dysfunction. But if you are serious about curing your erectile dysfunction, I recommend you take a look at the link in the description, which I have personally helped hundreds of men cure their erectile dysfunction naturally. You're not responsible for having erectile dysfunction, but you can take control and cure yourself. I was able to cure my and hundreds of other guys' erectile dysfunction with the link below. Check out the link in the description and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you.